Happy Science Saturday! This is Miss Jessica Campsila's naturalist sending greetings from underneath the bridge. Did you solve the riddle from last time? That's right, we're going to talk about animal tracks. Mud and snow are the best places to view animal tracks, especially during the fall and winter, when seeing animals in person is less likely. And by a stream or body of water is even better, since animals often travel to them to grab a drink, and there is very often mud to be found. Now that you've found a good location to look for animal tracks, bring a tracking guide thanks to the Department of Wildlife Resources and a ruler with you to help you identify what you found. First, take a look at the shape and how many toes the track has. If there are no toes per se, then you're probably looking at a hoof track or an animal with a hard nail-like case that covers their toes like deer, elk, and goats. The number of toes can help you narrow down the possibilities. For example, 4 toes on the back and front feet is probably a cat or a dog family. 4 toes on the front and 5 toes on the back is in the rodent family, like squirrels and woodchucks. And 5 toes on the back and front could be a raccoon, bear, possum, or weasel family, like a skunk. Next, look at the size of the prints and the distance between the tracks. Even though a bear and a possum have the same number of toes, the bear is going to have a much larger paw print. You can also use smaller clues like seeing indentations above the toe pads that are left by claws, or left a tail mark like tracks, like possums do. These will help you in your journey of identifying animals even after they're gone. And if you get really good, you can tell how fast the animal was going and how they move by the distance between the front and the back prints. Think about the difference hopping, jumping, running, or walking with 4 legs makes in prints and where each paw would land. An animal running would kick up more dirt and have a wider stride than one walking slowly. If you come to camp, you can practice making tracks and cast tracks with the materials placed in the Science Saturday bin. Or go in your backyard or local park to see what you can find. Now here's the riddle for next week's topic. Not all, but most plants make these. We grow into bushes, grasses, and trees. We can't walk, but we move around just fine. We move by wind, water, or animals, depending on our design. What am I? So long for now.